Thanks for joining me. Today we're just going to look at a well-known trick, but if you don't know it, you're going to benefit from this. So what we've got here is a simple drum and bass loop I just chucked together. Sounds like this. Alright, and then we've also got ourselves a bass line. Now, when they're together, they sound like this. Which is nice and everything, but usually, I know a lot of people like to just cut the subs out of their kick, but I don't really like doing that. So the alternative to that is just ducking the subs out of your bass when the kick hits, so you can have the best of both worlds. So the way we're going to do that, we're going to go on our kick, we're going to get auto filter, just because it's low on CPU. Going to use a band pass or a high pass, or to be honest, whatever you want, but I'm just going to highlight the area where the click is, so the beginning of the kick. Alright, then we're going to group this. We're going to make another chain. Alright, get an envelope follower, chuck it after the auto filter, and this is important, mute the chain which has the auto filter on it. Okay, now we're going to go over to our bass, and we can use any EQ, but I'm going to use Pro Q because I like it. Alright, just going to make you can use a bell, but I'm going to use a low shelf for this. I want to take out these two, like the fundamental and that first little harmonic. So group your Pro Q, set up a macro, configure it. Yeah, set a macro to control the gain. Then I'm going to set the first point, it's 0.5, and the last point as 0. So now, when your macro is on nothing, or 0, it does nothing. When it's at full, it's taking away gain. Alright? So then you go back to your kick, go to your envelope follower, click map, back to your bass, click on the macro. So now, hopefully, when the kick plays, it'll duck the bass frequencies from the bass. So it's working, but it's not really taking out enough gain. So what we're going to do is just add some gain on the envelope follower, like so. Okay, that's getting there, but the problem is the modulation is happening too quickly, so I need to go to the full and just give it a bit extra full. And there you go.